Here's another eBay package. I think this is a speaker. So I'm gonna open it up. So let's see if I can open it with holding the phone at the same time. Like I can. I hope it's tight and tape is pretty strong. Yeah, the knife can barely cut it. This is a speaker. It's a PA speaker, so it's made to get loud. I wonder if it's pretty good sounding though. Not as good as hi-fi, but it's still good. I'm gonna try to get it out. Really small speaker, and it's pretty compact, so it'll fit in a small space. Very nice. Let me put my phone down again. That's that. I'm gonna take the plastic wrapping off of this. Here's the speaker itself. It's very nice quality, looks well built. I had this before. It's just a regular 130. It doesn't have, this one doesn't have the phono inputs, so it only works as an auxiliary cord, which is a little upsetting, but it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna hook this up to see if it works and stuff. Looks pretty in good shape. I got the speaker up and running. I did found an issue with the speaker. The headphone plug was stuck into the speaker, but it took a while to get it out, but I got it up and running. It works fine. So I'm going to compare this to my Eli speakers and my Bluetooth speaker. I wonder how this sounds compared to this. This is like a PA speaker, and this is more like a hi-fi sounding speaker. I'm sure this might have a little bit more bass because this one's more of a hi-fi speaker. This one's made to get a little louder. If you turn it up all the way, it will distort past 75. I think the amplifier is probably a little overdriven compared to the older models of these. The older ones did not distort that much. I've listened to many of these speakers at school, so I'll play this song.
We need a revolution, so long as we stay free. Welcome to the desecration.
I'm not noticing much bass if the bass is halfway up, so I'm going to try it maxed out, and the treble maxed out.
We need a revolution.
There's not much bass on here. To be honest, it's made to get loud though. It's not like a bass speaker, but it sounds pretty good for what it is. I'm a little disappointed for the bass, but it sounds good with its internal amplifier. So I'm gonna compare it to this. Hold on. Here's the Arch here playing now. It's the A220. I got it 75% because it doesn't get too loud, but it sounds good. It only gets very loud if you turn it up all the way, but it's more like a hi-fi speaker.
We need a revolution. Some of us we stay free. Welcome to the desecration.
Yeah, that has a lot more bass. Like, it's a huge difference. There's no adjustable bass on here though. Yeah, this is more like it's made to sound good, but this is made to sound louder and clear. It's made for voice and not music. So compare it to my Elax now. So I have the Elax hooked up. I have it like at very low volume because these get loud as hell. They're the loudest. So I'm gonna play this song. Oh, why is it not playing? Hold on. Yeah, but volume down. Yeah, my floor's shaking even at low volume. I'm not gonna turn it up. It's just gonna shake the house and make people mad. These are the best. This one is the clearest, and it's made for voice. This one's pretty good for Bluetooth speakers. So I'm gonna play a bass song next. Got Feel the Bass loaded up, so I'm gonna put this on like halfway. The bass is up all the way and the trebles in the middle. See how this compares. A little bit of bass, but not a lot. It's not shaking my floor that much. Here's the Arch here now. This one actually sounds a little weaker in terms of bass. This is more like the 70 hertz range. But if you turn this up real loud, it's just gonna distort and it's not gonna sound good. So I'm gonna compare it to the Elax. So here's the Elax. Let's play the song. Oh yeah, the bass is louder. That's halfway. My floor is vibrating like crazy. I can feel it. This has more treble. Like, it sounds a little more brighter. This one sounds warmer compared to this. This has more like warmer tones. This is more like a brighter sounding speaker. Yeah. This one has way more treble, but this one has way more bass. This one's just made for SBL, and this one's made for bass. This one will not shake the floors that much, but it's good for casual listening. It's made for smart boards and stuff. Projectors, you'll see these in classrooms and stuff. So yeah, this is actually not a bad speaker at all. Unless if you turn it up all the way, it'll probably blow it up. So yeah. Bye.